What if death is hiding just inches away, and you never see it coming? Watching this video might be the most important decision of your life, inshallah. And at the end, a terrifying truth awaits that no one has ever heard before. Number 10. Boomslang, the snake that kills after you think you've survived. In the quiet trees of sub-Saharan Africa, a predator waits, not with rage, not with sound, but with patience. It's called the boomslang, a slender, wide-eyed tree snake that looks almost harmless, almost beautiful. But that illusion is where your nightmare begins. Its venom doesn't scream through your nerves like other snakes. This one goes deeper. It turns your blood into liquid death. One drop can rupture cells, shred tissues, and break blood vessels from the inside out. But here's where it becomes truly horrifying. Get ready for a shocking twist. This will blow your mind. The boomslang's venom acts slowly. People bitten by it often feel nothing at first. They go home, eat, sleep. Some even go to work. And then, a day later, blood begins to pour from their eyes, their nose, their gums. Organs begin to liquefy. Skin turns black. And the worst part? They die, fully conscious, unable to scream. Cliffhanger. But what if I told you? There's a snake that doesn't just kill you. It follows you, swims after you, and can strike even from water. Number 9. Tiger snake, death that swims after you. On the wild southern coast of Australia, where the land meets the sea, lives a predator that hunts both on land and in water. The tiger snake gets its name from its banded, tiger-like stripes. But this isn't a predator that pounces. It stalks. And when it strikes, it never misses. Its venom is a horrifying cocktail of neurotoxins and coagulants. Within minutes, your muscles seize. Your diaphragm stops. You can't breathe, but your heart keeps beating. You are alive, but trapped in a frozen body, begging for release. Get ready for a shocking twist. This will blow your mind. Tiger snakes have been found swimming across saltwater bays, chasing after small boats. There are real, documented cases where they entered homes through toilet bowls, slithered up pipes, and appeared in bathtubs. This isn't fear-mongering. This is Australia's terrifying truth. Pay attention. I'm about to reveal a twist that will change everything. Its venom is so potent that just a tiny droplet wound can kill multiple adults. And worse, some species don't even need to inject a full dose. They bite once, and wait. Cliffhanger. But next, there's a snake that doesn't hide, doesn't flee, and doesn't warn. It just waits for one blink, and you're gone. Number 8. Death adder, the lightning-fast lurker. Buried beneath sand, leaves, or mud, the death adder lies motionless. You won't hear it. You won't see it. But if you blink, you might miss your last moment alive. It's not just venomous, it's built for ambush. Its strike is recorded among the fastest in the world. Less than 0.15 seconds. That's faster than the time it takes your brain to register fear. Its venom attacks the nervous system instantly. Muscles stop. Eyelids droop. Breathing halts. Within an hour, death is imminent. Pay attention. I'm about to reveal a twist that will change everything. Most snakes flee from humans, not the death adder. It has no fear. People have stepped on it, only to collapse minutes later, completely paralyzed, whispering for help they'll never receive. And here's the true horror. In some regions, antivenom exists, but it's completely useless if administered too late. Even breathing machines fail. Why? Because the venom destroys the body's ability to respond, not just its function. Cliffhanger. But now, prepare yourself. The next snake doesn't need to touch you to kill you. It can spit venom directly into your eyes. Number 7. Philippine Cobra, death that flies through the air. In the lush jungles of the Philippines lives a cobra unlike any other. While most cobras threaten with their hoods, this one spits death with sniper precision, directly at your eyes. And it doesn't miss. With a range of over 3 meters. The Philippine Cobra can blind you permanently in less than a second. But blindness is just the beginning. Pay attention. I'm about to reveal a twist that will change everything. Its venom is a pure neurotoxin, one of the most potent in the cobra family. It paralyzes the diaphragm, halts breathing, and key, shuts down the body. Even without a bite. That's right. Just the venom in your eyes, or on broken skin, is enough to begin death. Get ready for a shocking twist. This will blow your mind. Some victims collapsed without ever being bitten. Villagers in remote areas believe the cobra carries a curse, because the dead were found with wide, terrified eyes, and no bite marks. Cliffhanger. Coming up next, a snake so horrifying that it can rot your flesh before you even reach a hospital. And worse, it's showing up near wiki schools, homes, and farms. Number 6. Fer de lance, the snake that melts flesh. Deep in Central and South America lives a serpent whispered about in hushed tones. Locals call it the ultimate pit viper. Scientists call it Bothrops asper. But survivors call it hell itself. The fer de lance doesn't strike to warn, it strikes to destroy. One bite delivers a venom so necrotic that tissue starts dying instantly. Skin turns black. Limbs swell to 3 times their size. Victims often wake up in hospitals, without a leg or an arm. Get ready for a shocking twist. This will blow your mind. It has been recorded delivering double bites, pumping in 2 full loads of venom in rapid succession. And the worst part? The fer de lance is highly aggressive. It doesn't run from humans. It charges. This snake has been spotted near schools, banana farms, hospitals, and even inside homes. Wait, children have been bitten while playing soccer, and adults have collapsed in their backyards with no time to call for help. And even when treated, many survivors are left with permanent disfigurement, amputations, and PTSD. So intense they never walk outside barefoot again. Cliffhanger. But now, you're about to meet the top 5. One of them can kill in under 10 minutes. Another? Its venom boils your blood from within. And number 1? Its truth is so terrifying. Even scientists are afraid to say it out loud. Number 5. Russell's viper. The silent reaper of the fields. In the rice fields and villages of India and Southeast Asia, farmers fear one thing more than drought: the Russell's viper. It doesn't chase. It doesn't hiss. It simply waits. Coiled under straw, between shoes, under blankets. And when it strikes, it's already too late. Victims describe the pain as if their limbs are being crushed in a metal vise. But the venom is worse. It destroys blood cells, causes internal bleeding, and shuts down the kidneys. But wait. Get ready for a shocking twist. This will blow your mind. Survivors of the bite have reported a horrifying after effect: total amnesia. That's right. Some victims forget their names, families, and even how to speak. Others lose their ability to see, not just temporarily, but forever. Pay attention. I'm about to reveal a twist that will change everything. Russell's viper is one of the only snakes whose venom has delayed triggers. In some cases, it kills after days of false recovery. Victims think they've survived, only to wake up blind, convulsing, or worse, completely brain dead. Cliffhanger. But up next is a snake that doesn't just kill you. It turns your own body against itself in the most chilling way possible. Number 4. Black mamba, the bullet of the reptile world. The black mamba is not a snake, it is a biological missile. Found in Africa, it's sleek, slender, and can move at over 12 miles per hour, That's faster than most humans can run. It's venom, a violent neurotoxin that shuts down the central nervous system. In minutes. Once bitten, your heart races to fatal speeds, muscles collapse, and your lungs seize. Death is almost certain, often in less than 30 minutes. But here's where it gets terrifying. Get ready for a shocking twist. This will blow your mind. The black mamba often delivers multiple bites. Not one, not two. Sometimes, up to 8 full envenomations in one attack. That means 8 fatal doses of venom in seconds. Pay attention. I'm about to reveal a twist that will change everything. One victim described the experience as being set on fire from the inside, unable to breathe, unable to speak, while feeling every organ scream for help. Cliffhanger. And yet, the next snake can kill you without even biting, and has left soldiers and explorers paralyzed just by touching its scales. Number 3. Inland taipan, the fiercest venom on Earth. Nicknamed the fierce snake. The inland taipan doesn't live in the jungle. It lives in the most desolate parts of Australia. A snake so reclusive, so rare, that even professional snake hunters fear it. Why? Because one bite contains enough venom to kill 100 adult humans. Just imagine, if it bites you once, you're not just dying, you're dissolving. Get ready for a shocking twist. This will blow your mind. Its venom is 50 times more potent than that of a cobra. But that's not all. It's also undetectable. At first, you feel a pinch, maybe a sting. Then, your body starts melting from the inside. Muscle tissue breaks down. Kidneys shut down. The blood turns acidic. There's only one known video of a wild inland taipan in action, and what it shows is terrifying. The snake strikes 4 times in under 2 seconds, and then vanishes back into the sand, like a ghost. Cliffhanger. But there's a snake even deadlier than this. One that has wiped out entire villages, triggered mass hysteria, and has a secret so terrifying it has been kept from the public. Until now. Number 2. King Cobra, the royal tyrant of death. This isn't just a cobra. This is the king. The Wakroi, longest venomous snake in the world. Reaching up to 18 feet, a creature so intelligent, it recognizes intruders, follows movements, and sometimes hunts on purpose. Its venom doesn't just kill, it's a neurotoxic flood. Victims collapse in under 30 minutes, foaming at the mouth as the brain loses control of the body, then the lungs, then the heart. But here's where it gets biblical. Get ready for a shocking twist. This will blow your mind. The king cobra doesn't just defend, it attacks proactively. Researchers have recorded it slithering into camps, tents, even with military outposts, drawn by the scent of sweat and body heat. Pay attention. I'm about to reveal a twist that will change everything. Its hiss? It doesn't sound like a normal snake. It's a low, eerie growl. Deeper than a dog's. Victims have described it as a death whisper. And worse, it's one of the few snakes that builds nests and defends eggs, like a lioness, with fury and vengeance. Cliffhanger. And now, number 1. A snake that defies everything science ever knew. Its venom doesn't just kill you. It may change your DNA. Permanently. Number 1. The sea snake, the genetic assassin beneath the waves. It lives in the waters of the Pacific and Indian Oceans, and it is a living paradox. Beautiful, striped, and calm, until you touch it. Then, it becomes your worst mistake. The sea snake, particularly the Belcher's sea snake, possesses the most toxic venom of any snake on Earth. One drop can kill 3 adult men. And yet, its bite feels like a pinprick. But that's not the scariest part. Get ready for a shocking twist. This will blow your mind. New research shows that the sea snake's venom contains enzymes capable of rewriting cell structures. In some victims, genetic mutations have been discovered post-bite. Scientists are still studying its venom, fearing it could have the power to trigger cancer. Or worse, permanently alter human biology. Pay attention. I'm about to reveal a twist that will change everything. One diver reported a sea snake wrapping around his leg, staring directly into his mask, and then letting go, as if deciding he wasn't worth the kill. These creatures are not mindless. They choose. And now, here is the most terrifying, unbelievable fact in this entire video, the one that may haunt you forever. There exists a hybrid sea snake, recently discovered off the coast of Southeast Asia, that shows signs of rapid venom evolution. In just 20 years, its venom has grown, over 300% stronger, and it is now appearing closer to beaches. Scientists fear it could soon be undetectable in water and impossible to stop. This fact has been kept quiet. But now, you know. If this video shocked you even once, if your heart raced, your breath stopped, or your skin crawled, then hit subscribe now, because what's coming next will be even darker, even deadlier, and even more unbelievable. Tell us in the comments, which snake terrified you the most? And what top 10 list do you want next? Maybe the top 10 most mysterious creatures humans were never meant to see? Let's dive into the unknown together. Inshallah.